Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, your desktop can either be chic, be your creative haven, or a chaotic mess. In today's video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite organized desktop ideas in soft pastel colors, perfect for anyone who wants a calming, aesthetic, and functional workspace. So whether you're a teenager, a student, a remote worker, or just someone who wants their workspace to spark some joy every time they log on, I've got you covered. Choose from blush pinks, lavender, soft mint, or sky blue. You can also go for Scandinavian minimalist gradients. A small pot of plant is always a good idea. Now, let's talk about organization. Create shelves and custom holdalls or containers for everything. Pens, markers, papers, and whatever else you want to keep close and handy. Just keep it minimal and keep it pastel. A tidy desktop isn't just about appearance, it boosts productivity and reduces stress. And when it's beautiful, that's just the cherry on top. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Set a weekly reminder to tidy up your desktop. It should take about 5 minutes, and it keeps your space looking fresh and clutter-free. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content coming soon. See you in the next video, and stay inspired and stay organized.